Here I have FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down, or volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the third option, enter Fastboot. So after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. Here at this mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.